Hey, senior composition. Hope you're doing well. And just checking with you. It's Tuesday, and a lot of you I've not heard from. I just asked for a simple message to me, and a lot of you have not done that. So I just want to make sure you guys are okay and getting my messages because 5 out of the 19 of you have replied to me. And so I just want to make sure you are getting my information because I just asked for a simple message from you. And so just checking in. But we are moving on to the next unit. And so I'll kind of go over what that looks like today. So everything is on the modules and the compare and contrast essay. So for Friday and for Monday, when we came back, I asked you to just read the instructions of the partner research paper. I'm not going to go over the instructions as you can read, and that's what you should have been doing before break and on Monday. Again, a lot of you did not respond to my simple message of who do you want to be your partner? So I don't have anybody as partners for right now. If you do have your partner, I do have that down. I did reply to you. I did order it in first, second, third, fourth of what you should be doing. And so there is a sample compare and contrast paper that people can see. It is using the color code system that we are using. So it has the underlined topic sentence, it has the red background information, it has the italicized evidence, and then the orange analysis. So this is an effective example to look at. Now the format's a bit weird because I'm looking at a Canvas. So if you have your partner, your goal for the week by April 6th is to turn in this partner paper sources check. So to help you plan, I have this planning sheet for you and your partner. And so you can open this up in Notability. It's going to be easier. So determine what you want to compare and contrast. That's your first step. And have your second step. What are some possible topics or categories that this compare and contrast can have? And so you're only going to do 4 topics regarding these compare and contrast essays. Then write a plan. What are the research that you need to start this week? The goal is compare or contrast. And so you're not doing both. You are either saying how these items are similar or how they are different. Once you and your partner kind of start to plan the topics and categories, what you should do by Monday is start to use this planning sheet, right? So this planning sheet here, I've also linked it into the assignment for people to use, is start to identify what you are going to compare and contrast, identify your four subtopics of what you want to use, and then start to find your evidence for the compare and contrast. And so make sure that you are also identifying the speaker, you're identifying the credibility of that speaker, and then the context that you need. These are skills that you are using from prior essays. So just make sure that you're still using these. You should have 4 subtopics, and so that's what you are using with regards to this paper. So by Monday, you should have this sources sheet kind of filled out. So you have this week to research with regards to this. The other thing to note is that you can use this discovery education down here. I've linked it to Canvas and it should open up. Try it again if it did not already do that. But it should open up after you log in. And you can then use this for your research. You can also use the library's database, and I will show you that in a different video. But for now, the first couple days, just kind of use that planning sheet. Take care.